outside wall. It rolled over. Give me EMS started. Got the number 3 lane shut down. Can you get out? Come on out. Come out this way, right here. Come out this way. Can you come out? Yeah. Hold on a minute. Can you get out your passenger door? Here, I'm going to move this. Watch your head. Why didn't you stop?
Because I didn't feel like it was safe.
Well, this is where you ended up.
There was enough.
Watch your head. Can you come out this way? I got plenty of room right here. Are you the only one in the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm pregnant.
Well, ma'am, you've got to pull over when we
I
stop.
had my flashers
It doesn't matter,
on.
ma'am.
I
Come on
didn't feel
out.
like it was safe.
I've got an ambulance coming for you.
You need help?
Hey, Sheila. Come on, can you come out?
I'm trying.
Okay. I got an ambulance coming.
I know. Can you try to like make the seat lean back?
I did. I pushed it back as far as it would go. Because it was lifted up. It's as far as it'll go back.
Oh my gosh.
Ma'am, all you have to know, she's got blood all over. Here, grab your door right here. Come on in, can you?
I'm trying.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Thought it would be safer to wait until the exit.
No, ma'am, you should pull over when law enforcement stops you, okay? You were running 84 miles an hour and I'm trying to get you to stop. And then when I pulled up alongside of you, you saw the state trooper, you looked over at me.
Because
And you
I
kept
could
going.
barely see.
Let's go over here.
I lost my shoe.
Okay, I will take care of that. Go sit down over here, okay?
Lift me over the road.
Sit down right there. We call it a pit maneuver when people flee from us or don't stop from us. That's what happened, okay? Do you need to sit down since you're pregnant? Okay. All you had to do was pull over,
Can you
ma'am.
please call my husband?
Yeah, we'll take care of that here in a minute. You don't have your cell phone on you, do you? Do you mind calling? You could hit like star 67 and it'll block the call. What's his number?
501. Oh my gosh. 501.
13 the rock.
582596.
13 the rock. I've got her out of the vehicle. She's got a minor straight on her. I'm sorry, 1016 step it up.
Courtney. Courtney. I was getting over.
I'll be right back, okay?
And I didn't pull over.
right there. They've got to go down and turn around, okay? What's your name?
Nicole.
Nicole? Okay, well, Nicole what?
Harper.
Harper? Okay, is this vehicle registered to you?
Yes.
Okay. Where do you live?
Sherwood.
That's where you were headed to?
Yes, I just left the movies
Okay.
in Cabot with...
With what?
I just left the movies in Cabot. I went with my dad's girlfriend and my nieces. And I was on my way home.
Okay, well I told you you were running 84 and then when
I know that I was speeding. I agree with you. I was
all you had to do
speeding.
was pull over, ma'am.
I didn't even think it was safe for you for me to pull over
this
there.
is what we do out here, okay? There's shoulders on the right and there's shoulders on the left.
I just didn't feel like the shoulder was big enough with the wall.
What happens when people don't stop for us.
You wreck us?
We hit the vehicle. Do we anticipate them rolling over? Absolutely not. But we stop the vehicles. I have no idea what's going on inside your vehicle or why you wouldn't stop.
Because I didn't think it was safe for you. That's why I didn't stop.
I have no idea about that. Been doing this for 27 years, ma'am, and when people don't stop, we have no idea what's going on inside the vehicle. Okay? And all you had to do, when I even pulled up alongside of it.
I know, and then blinded me with the light.
Well, I'm going to tell you, that's what we do is turn on our emergency lights and try to get your attention. Okay? But when people don't stop for emergency vehicles, we end this right here, right now, before you get further into congested traffic. That's why we're here. Okay? And no, we don't anticipate vehicles rolling over, or do we want that to happen? But it does happen. Okay? All you had to do was slow down and stop.
I did slow down. I turned on my hazards. I thought I was doing the right thing. I know. I do understand what you're saying.
Okay?
But do you understand what I'm saying too?